Good morning, everyone. Being here feels truly special, celebrating all of our achievements. I'm extremely grateful for my parents, for all the teachers who taught me and always supported in me, and all my friends who made sure I did not study too much. The school feels like my second home, and I'm gonna miss all the people I met here and the memories I made.
From being a tiny rainbow white to standing here today, how emotional is this moment for you? How many years it's been?
Almost 16, 15 years of my
Yeah, true, right? So do you feel emotional leaving this place?
It feels like leaving my family.
Oh.
Very happy morning to all of you over here. It's a great occasion every time I mention because these are the little happiest moments that we have when we celebrate the success of our children. The success of our children is the success of our school as such. It is not those marks or the scores that we are celebrating here. We are celebrating the efforts put in by the children, the journey that they've had. Prapti Jain, I think she has made it with the 3 success meets after grade 10. Grade 10, she created a record of getting 3 centums and nobody has broken it yet. So you still carry that record, Prapti. Congratulations for this wonderful score also. And I do hope you will make it for your JE Advanced.
I think what I can do instead of having memories with all of you is give you a little bit of advice because I recently graduated undergrad myself, so I kind of know how things work in this generation. Before I get to that, I think I just want to congratulate all of you on your results because I've been looking at the CBSE stats and they do not look like a lot of the students in the country did well, but obviously you guys have proven them wrong. So big kudos to you for that. The 3 things that I want to say is 1, like Mom said, keep your circle very tight, keep them filtered, because one of the biggest things that makes a difference in university is who you hang out with. And I realized that maybe 6-7 months going into university because I went in not knowing who's what and what's going on or anything about the world really, and that's the same with you as well. But once you get in there, it's a whole sea of people from different backgrounds, people with different values, people with different understanding of what they want from the world. But be clear about what you want from your world and stick to the people that will bring out the same for you as well. So keep your circle tight is 1 thing. Second thing is you might not realize it at first, but professors are just as important as your friends. Like you had teachers here, professors will be there in the university, but they're teaching a much bigger audience, maybe 10,000, 20,000 kids in their single year. But when you make the effort to make a personal connection, that really makes a difference, not just because they'll give you a good recommendation for your internships, but because they've been seeing this world for the last 20 years, 30 years. They know what's going on. They know how to make you succeed in whatever it is that you're looking to succeed in. So make sure that you have a good relationship with your professor because that lasts not while you're in university, but also once you graduate as well. And the third thing is, I learned this the hard way. Year 1, I did not participate in too many things, not too many clubs, not too many activities. I was just trying to figure out how to live there first. But you guys have the advantage of knowing people that have recently graduated or people in your circle that have, been to university recently. So you can talk to them, understand how it works. I'm here to talk to you as well if you need to reach out for any help. But the one thing I will say is internships matter a lot more than you think. I know some of you have had the opportunity to do some in school, but in the real world, the competition is a lot higher and it's not guaranteed. So from the first day that you're in university, make the effort to understand how you can land your internship. Whether it's year 1, year 2, it doesn't matter. Just put in the effort. And once you get there, it'll give you a lot more scope once you graduate. Apart from that, have fun. Play sports, be active, because that's just as important as everything else that you do in university. Other than that, I think eat clean is one of the advice that I would give you because you're not going to have your parents cooking for you anymore. You're going to be in a world where sometimes the food quality might be great, might not be great, but always find your way around looking to find good food because that makes a ton of difference to your health as well as your mental health. That's pretty much it from me, but I'm always around if you want to talk to me and get any more advice about university. Thank you.